one. What is the time in your watch? Or should I ask, what is the time on your watch? Or should it be, what is the time at your watch? Getting confused, aren't you? Well, today I'm here to clarify all your doubts related to the three prepositions at, on, and in. These prepositions are common to two categories. One is time and the other is place. So now we'll see how these are related to time and place. Talking about the first one, at, in relation to time, it denotes an exact point of time. For example, I shall go there, or I shall go at 5 p.m. So here, at is the preposition used to denote the exact time, which is 5 p.m. Now, next one, on, in relation to time, it gives a general period of time. For example, I shall go there on Friday, or I shall go there on 21st of March. So here we have used the same prepositions to denote a more general time period. So on in relation to time can be used for days and dates, which denotes a general period of time. And the last one, in relation to time, gives a long period of time. For example, I shall go in summer, or I shall go in the morning. It does not give an exact point of time. Now let's see how these prepositions are related to place. Looking at the first preposition, at, in relation to place, it denotes an exact place or a small place. This need not be known to everyone. For example, I live at 221 Baker's Street. So here the preposition at denotes an exact spot where you are living. Now coming to the next one, on, in relation to place, it denotes a much larger place and it also denotes some things kept on rest. For example, I live at Baker Street on Peters Avenue. So here the preposition on gives a good idea about where you're living related to the place. So it is a much larger context. And for example, things on rest, I kept the book on the table. So table is a thing which is on rest. Okay, so that gives an idea of on in relation to place according to things on rest. Another example is he is sitting on an armchair. So we don't say he is sitting in an armchair, we say he is sitting on an armchair. Now talking about the last preposition, in relation to place, it gives you a larger context. Larger context where you can include cities, countries, continents, etc. So I live at Baker Street on Peters Avenue in London. So here London, as we know, it's a big place compared to the Baker Street and Peters Avenue. So we use the preposition in. Now I hope at, on and in is clear to you as to when to use relation to time and place. Now coming back to the first question, what is the time in your watch? Do you know which is the correct answer? What is the time by your watch? The word by is to be used The reason is, according to that particular sentence, the word by has a meaning according to. So it means what is the time according to your watch. So let's start by today by asking everyone what is the time by your watch. Now I would like to give you two sentences. One is, I will do the work at night and I will do the work in the night. Can you tell me what is the difference between at night and in the night? Provide your response on the comments below. Thank you.